What's up, everybody? We're back today and we're going to go rescue a truck that is destined for the scrapyard. But we worked out a deal with the old man that owns it, and we're going to go pick it up today. We got to roll back over there in the background, warming up a little bit. Thankful to my employer for allowing me to use that. But me and Cooper and my dad, he's going to meet us up there. We're going to go see if we can drag this thing out and we'll do a little wheeler run on it eventually. Today we're just going to try to get it home. So the way we ended up with this truck, it's a 1972. It's a 510 medium blue is the color. It's got some killer patina. Y'all are gonna love it. Especially our United by Trucks friends, people that are fan of his trucks. You're gonna love the patina on this one. Anyway, a couple weeks ago, went up to this guy's house to pick up my dad's '66 Chevelle. The guy's got it, had it doing some paint work to it. He's got the front clip off of it. We thought that would be a great time to bring it home and put the motor in it before he put everything back together, and then we're having to worry about scratching paint and all that stuff, putting the motor in it. So anyway, saw this truck sitting in his yard, talked to him about it. You know, he initially was going to build the truck, but he's getting older, and he decided he wasn't going to mess with it and everything. So we struck up a pretty good deal on it. You know, it's all there. It's not beat all to pieces. It's got some rust in the normal places. But it's all there, got a clean title. I'm pretty excited about it. Don't really know exactly what the plans are for it yet. We've got some ideas we've kicked around, but nothing really set in stone yet. So we're going to go today, probably a little pancake air compressor with me. We're going to try to get some air in the tires, help it roll a little better, get it up on the truck, and we'll see what we can do. Stay tuned. We're going to see what we can get into today. Cooper's our good video guy today. Credit to him.
So, like Daddy said, we're doing a rescue the truck project, and we're going to do a will it run project too. I like going to get these things and just working on them. I'm going to be working the levers and just helping letting out the winch and pulling the levers, like I said. That's really all that I'm going to be doing. So, y'all got some minutes.
Here it is. We got saving another one that was destined for the junkyard, maybe. Like I said, it's a 72 long bed for now. It's not in terrible shape. It's all there. That's the biggest thing about it, is it's all there. And it's got killer patina on it. It's a factory 307 truck, 3-speed on the column. Like I said, it's got your normal rust on the inside. Floor pans and cap corners and whatnot. We'll do some more on here in just a minute. We're gonna try to get this thing loaded up. It's cold out here. right, it's home. Got her tucked in on the road right here with the other three. Hence the reason, or the other two rather, 3 total. I'm starting to live up to my new nickname, and that is Blue Truck Chuck, because I now have 3 blue trucks. I keep saying I want a red one or a green and white one, but somehow the blue ones just keep coming home. But this one, who knows what we're going to do with it. We're definitely going to try to get it running. It's a 307 with a 2-barrel on it, factory 3 on the tree. The guy that I got it from said that the guy that he got it from told him that it jumped time, and he said that he tried to get it running and it was firing out of order. So we'll have to pull it down and do some investigating on that and see if it's a timing chain issue or if it's a distributor issue. But it's all there. It's rusty and crusty, just like old Carl here beside of us. But I mean, it's, you know, you got your normal rusting places, but hopefully the floor pans are salvageable for the most part. But yeah, there it is. So I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll get started on it pretty soon, probably in the next week or two. Working on my dad's Chevelle right now. I'm going to try to make a little more progress on it and get it going. This back right wheel was not rolling. That's the reason we had to drag it off with the tractor. I'm not sure if the brakes locked up or if it's stuck in gear or what it is. I got the shifter, after I got off the truck, I got the shifter working and got it loose and sprayed it real good with some blaster. But I'm not sure if that's a stuck in gear or if it's a brake stuck issue, but we'll mess with that eventually. I have to find some tires to put on it for rollers and go from there. But it looks good. Got the first and last of that generation of truck, and then a random 85 sprinkled in there. So we appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think about the truck. Anything you notice that is, you know, maybe odd or unusual or rare about it. Judging by the spid, it's a pretty low option truck, so I don't expect there to be anything too crazy that stands out. But anyway, talk to y'all later.